start with the file new design. So let's put the basic measurement. This will be 18.3 millimeters and this one will be 17 millimeters. Okay, and then the thickness will be 1.9 millimeters, and then on top of it you add a sliding part, or I don't know how to call it, let's just call it sliding part. This is 12 millimeters wide, so 6 millimeters on this side and 6 millimeters on this side. So there you go. We do the pull again. This one is 2 millimeters. It's okay. Okay, this is the basic shape, and then we can add more round at the corners and so on, but I want to make something special with this. So we will add some springing mechanism here and here so that it will slide fit to the hot shoe. We will first cut around 1 millimeters here. Okay, 1 millimeters, and also 1 millimeters here. Yes. Okay, so we will have, wait a moment, let me cut it. Yes, we will have 2 arms that will have a springing mechanism. So let's add some thickness to this left arm and right arm so that it will grip more to the sliding the shoe cover. Wait, how many should we add? Maybe 0.6. At this time it's just guessing. If it's not working, then we can repeat again, but usually 0.6 is okay. This one is cut by 1 millimeter, so 0.6 additional here is okay. And then this one 4.5, it's okay. 0.6 and yes. Okay, we will make this one like this. Yes, and then okay, yes, goes like this. So it has a fit mechanism. This will have the same thickness, 1.9. Yes, done. Okay, this will be it, and then put some round in the corners. Okay. 1.5. Okay, that's done. The problem is okay, wait a moment, let me add more curve here. 0.2, 0.2. Okay, and then let's add some chamfer here by 0.3. Sorry, the printing height will be around 0.2, so 0.4 better. This is also 0.4, yes, and we will also chamfer 0.4. Yes. And then the last one is the bottom part. It's a good practice to put chamfer on the bottom part. This one will face the printing heat bed. It's better to put some chamfer, maybe around. Oh, okay. So I will add simple one, 0.4. 0.4. Okay. 0.4. Done. And this one also 0.4. Yeah, that's it. For this one we will add a round shape. Okay, maybe 8 millimeters. Okay, and then let's pull back down by 2 millimeters. Yes, so this one will be for the grip, to make it easy to slide with finger. Okay, that's it. Maybe I will put some curve here. Yes, this is the hot shoe cover. So yeah, it has two arms, left and right. This one will hold the hot shoe cover to the hot shoe plates. So we will export to STL and then we will slice in Cura.